After plugging in this peeling machine, it can be powered on. After power on, this light will light up, and this fan will turn on. Then supply it with gas. Insert one end and the other, and directly into this one. Insert it here and start supplying it with gas. Then turn on this switch. After turning on the switch, it will have electricity and gas. Then press this button to start it, and it will start working. This process is over, and then we can move on to the next process. Okay, that concludes the user guide for this coconut peeler.